Today I am going to discuss regarding blood supply of heart. So, arterial supply of heart. The heart gets its oxygen and nutrients from two arteries, that is the right and left coronary arteries, which are the first branches of aorta. The right and left coronary arteries are the first branches of aorta. At the beginning of the ascending aorta, there are three dilation or swellings called aortic sinuses. So, at the beginning of ascending aorta, there is three dilation or swelling is present, that is called aortic sinuses. The right coronary artery arises from the right aortic sinus and the left coronary artery arises from the left aortic sinus. The right and left coronary arteries are called coronary because they encircle the base of the ventricle somewhat like a crown. So, the left and right coronary arteries are called coronary because they encircle means they looks like a crown. So, it called coronary. Next, the right coronary artery. The right coronary artery supplies blood to the right ventricle, the right atrium and AC and AV node which regulate the heart rhythm. So the right coronary artery supplies blood to the right ventricle, right atrium and AC and AV node. The right coronary artery is divided into smaller branches including the right posterior descending artery and the marginal artery. So, the right coronary artery divides into smaller branches including the right posterior descending artery and the marginal artery. Together with the left coronary artery helps supply blood to the middle or septum of the heart. So, the right coronary artery and the left coronary artery together helps in supplying blood to the middle and septum of the heart. So middle and septum of the heart gets blood from right coronary artery and the portion of left coronary artery. Then the left coronary artery. The left coronary artery supplies blood to the left side of the heart. So the left coronary artery supplies blood to the left portion or left side of the heart muscle, mainly the left ventricle and left atrium. So the left coronary artery divides into branches, that is the left anterior descending artery branches of the left coronary artery and the circumflex artery. So the left anterior descending artery which is a part of left coronary artery. The left anterior descending artery is a part of left coronary artery which supplies blood to the front of the heart. So, the left anterior descending artery is the part of left coronary artery which supplies blood to the front of the heart, and the circumflex artery is the branches of left coronary artery and which supplies blood to the outer side and back side of the heart. So the circumflex artery is the part of or is the branch of left coronary artery which supplies blood to the outer side and back side of the heart. Now the venous drainage of heart. The walls of the heart are drained by veins that empty into the coronary sinus and partly by small veins, mainly the anterior cardiac vein and the Thevesian veins, that opens directly into the chambers of the heart, means into the right atrium and right ventricle. So the walls of the heart are drained by veins and those bloods are empty into the coronary sinus and partly by small veins, mainly the anterior cardiac veins and Thevesian veins, and those veins are open into the directly into the chambers of the heart, that is right atrium and right ventricle. The veins of the heart that is coronary sinus. It is the largest vein of the heart. It is situated in the posterior part of the coronary sulcus. So, the main vein is coronary sinus. It is the largest vein of the heart. It is situated in the posterior part of the coronary sulcus. It ends by opening into the right atrium. The coronary sinus receives blood mainly from the small, middle, great and oblique cardiac veins and marginal vein. So, coronary sinus receives blood from small, cardiac, great, oblique and marginal veins. So, throughout the heart, all oxygenated blood are drained out into coronary sinus. From where? From small, middle, great and oblique cardiac and marginal veins. So those veins are collect deoxygenated blood and drain the blood to the coronary sinus and drains whole to the right atrium. Then coronary sinus drains those blood, deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. So, from the small, middle, great, oblique, cardiac and marginal veins, whole deoxygenated blood from the heart comes to coronary sinus and then it drains to the right atrium. So, this is the blood supply of heart and venous drainage of heart.